Before preparing myLexia for the new academic year, make sure you save any reports you like to keep for your records. You can do this in the Reading tab. For whole school data, click the School Exports button on your school overview. Confirm your email address and then select the year-to-date option for your program. This will generate a spreadsheet containing all of your students' data in one place, and a download link will be sent to you by email. If you prefer reports at the class or student level, you can access these by clicking into a class. We recommend using the Skills report, which provides a clear visual summary of class progress throughout the program. If you're using PowerUp, remember this report is split into 3 strands, so you may need to download each one separately. All reports can be downloaded as a spreadsheet using Export or as a visual PDF using Print. Individual student reports can also be useful for tracking achievement and sharing information with new teachers. To access these, click into a class and select Print from the top of the class table. Then choose Print Student Reports. You'll see checkboxes appear next to each student's name. Select the students that you'd like, and then next hover over Print Reports and choose your report type. Again, we recommend using the Skills report as it provides a detailed breakdown of each activity completed, including accuracy and rate. If you need any further help accessing reports, you can contact our customer care team on 0191 482 1939 or email customercare@lexiauk.co.uk. Now that you've saved your reports, you're ready to prepare your accounts for the new academic year. Head to the Manage tab, which includes 3 sections: Classes, Staff and Students. We'll start in the Students area, where you can see a list of current student accounts. Students continuing next year will need to be advanced by 1 year to keep their usage and progress targets up to date. To do this, select all students using the checkbox at the top and click Change Year. Confirm your selection and all students will be moved forward by 1 year. For any students not continuing with Lexia, we recommend archiving their accounts. Simply select the relevant students and click Archive. This moves them to the Archive section, where you can restore or permanently delete them if needed. Next, you'll need to add any new students. In the Students area, click Create Student and enter their details. Once saved, the student can log in and begin their auto-placement assessment. You can also add students in bulk using a spreadsheet. To do this, click Import and use the guidelines and template provided to support the process. Once your student accounts are updated, the next step is to review your classes. Changes to student accounts won't automatically update class lists, so make sure you amend your classes in line with any changes to students' year groups. In the Classes area, you'll see your existing classes along with last year's students still assigned. To remove students from a class, select the class and click Clear Rosters. This removes students from the class without deleting their accounts. You can then reassign students by clicking the edit pencil next to the class. Select Add Students and then use the search and filters to find and select the correct students. Once selected, click Add to Class and their names will appear in the list. If needed, you can quickly remove students using the icon next to their name. When the class list is complete, click Save. If your class groups haven't changed, you also have the option to simply update the class name and year group instead. Finally, check that your staff accounts are up to date in the Staff section. If you have staff leaving school, you can remove their accounts by clicking the bin icon next to their name. To update names or email addresses, use the edit pencil. Keeping email addresses current is especially important as it allows staff to reset their passwords if needed. And that's it! Your myLexia account is ready for the new academic year.